just trying to be a father, raise a daughter and a son, be a lover to their mother, everything to everyone, up and at 'em bright and early. I'm all business in my suit. Yeah, I'm dressed up for success, from my head down to my boots. I don't do it for the money, there's bills that I can't pay. I don't do it for the glory, I just do it anyway. Providing for our futures, my responsibility. Yeah, I'm real good under pressure, being all that I can be. I can't call in sick on Mondays when the weekend's been too strong. I just work straight through the holidays, sometimes all night long. You can bet that I stand ready when the wolf growls at the door. Hey, I'm solid, hey, I'm steady, hey, I'm true down to the core. And I will always do my duty, no matter what the price. I've counted up the cost, I know the sacrifice. Oh, and I don't want to die for you, but if dying's asking me, I'll bear that cross with honor, 'cause freedom don't come free. I'm an American soldier, an American. Beside my brothers and my sisters, I will proudly take a stand. When liberty's in jeopardy, I will always do what's right. I'm out here on the front lines, sleep in peace tonight. American soldier, I'm an American soldier.
Just a couple of good old boys with a transmitter, a truckload of music, and a Yeti full of bad ideas.
I ought to know that by
The new US 1023 is WXUS, Dunellen, Ocala, and Gainesville, Florida, USA. A JVC broadcasting station. The crossroads of country and rock.
Than hell outside right now. It's 100 in the shade with the sun beating down. Forecast calling for some more of the same. Well, I can't fix that, but I can fix a drain. I turn on Fox News and then CNN, but it's the same dang thing all over again. The world's in the toilet and the market's in the tank. Well, I can't fix that. No, but I can fix a drink, pour it on ice, mix it on up and get you feeling right. I can get you buzzed, I can get you smiling, I can make you feel like you're sitting on an island. I can make it fruity, or I can make it strong. All you gotta do is tell me what you want, put it to you.
Mr. Bartender, hit me again. Don't wanna think about her, or wear a ring without her. Don't wanna hit the karaoke bar, can't sing without her. So make them drinks strong, cause brother, she's gone. And if I'm ever gonna move on, I'ma need some whiskey glasses, cause I don't wanna see the truth. She's probably making out on the couch right now with someone new. Yeah, I'ma need some whiskey glasses if I'm gonna make it through. If I'ma be single, I'ma need a double shot of that heartbreak proof and see the world through whiskey glasses. Oh, see the world through whiskey glasses. Yeah. Glasses, if I'm gonna make it through. If I'ma be single, I'ma need a double shot of that heartbreak proof and see the world through whiskey glasses. Oh, see the world through whiskey glasses. Yeah.
The year 2020. Electric. Want to make sure you and your family are prepared for hurricane season. Trademark Electric, your local Generac generator supplier. Don't be left in the dark. Call Trademark Electric today and inquire about your Generac generator. From the crossroads of country and rock, the new US 1023.
Hey, what are you up to?
I'm just at home doing a puzzle, getting some groceries from Publix.
Wait, you're at home?
Yeah, and I'm getting some freshly cut fruit, fried chicken for dinner, and a key lime pie for dessert.
So are you shopping at Publix or are you at home?
Both.
Order Publix online and get all your favorites delivered in as little as 2 hours. Or use curbside pickup, powered by Instacart. Visit Publix.com/shop. Prices vary from in-store. Fees, tips, and taxes may apply. Subject to terms and availability. Publix, where shopping is a pleasure.
Marge, I need your help.
Why? What's up?
It's Jim. He's been stepping out on me.
Do you know who she is?
It's not a she. It's a place.
A place?
Jim hangs at DNC Small Engine in Bellevue.
He's in love with power equipment?
So what is it about that place?
It's the cutters, the clippers, the blowers, the edgers and pruners, the steel chainsaws and trimmers starting at $159. The Gravely zero-turn mowers at $25.99. In business since 1975. And Marion County's oldest and most respected power equipment dealer. It's easy to understand why your husband steps out to and equip.
Diamond Center, September 11th, 12th, and 13th. Your chance to see a special collection of exquisite Forevermark diamonds, all shapes, all sizes. You know Forevermark from De Beers. Each Forevermark diamond comes with a promise of beauty, rarity, and responsible sourcing. That's why less than 1% of the world's diamonds are worthy of the Forevermark inscription. As a premier Forevermark diamond dealer, International Diamond Center is bringing you unprecedented access to a rare selection of Forevermark diamonds. Every shape, every size, for every imagination. Plus, for this event, IDC is offering special savings